guys, in this video, I'm going to show or teach you how to make a bootable USB using Rufus. So first open Chrome and search Rufus, and click the Rufus site. After you click the site, it will load and show the site homepage. Scroll down until you the download and click the Rufus 3.21. Close the ad and it will download right away. Since we're making bootable USB, we need to download ISO, which is the Windows 7 Ultimate. Type Windows 7 Ultimate download and search it. It will show many sites, but scroll and click the windowston.com. After the sites load, scroll down and you can see download now. Click and it will show another download button and choose Windows 7 Ultimate ISO 32-bit. And another download button, click it and it will download the ISO. Wait until the download complete so you can proceed to making the bootable USB. After the ISO download complete, open your File Explorer, go to Downloads and click and run the Rufus as administrator. And click Yes. Make sure that you have your flash drive and at least 8 GB storage input in your computer. Choose your flash drive name and click Select and find the file name of the server OS. Click it and open. Next is to set your partition, MBR, but you can choose GPT, either of them both, but we'll be using MBR. And set also the target system to BIOS, or UEFI CSM. Next, set the volume label. You can name it whatever you want, but it's easy to use. What bootable are you making? Lastly, click the Start button. After clicking Start, it will tell you that all of the file in your flash drive will deleted, so make sure that you already transfer your important documents into another storage. And wait until it's 100%. After that, you can close it already. And done, you have your bootable USB created. Hello everyone, we're going to show or teach you how to install Windows 7 Ultimate. First is make sure your computer is shut down first, and then using the bootable flash drive we made earlier. Plug the bootable flash drive to the USB socket, and after that turn on your computer and long several click the F2 key until the BIOS will pop up. After the BIOS will pop up, use the right arrow of your keyboard to go to boot bar, and use the down and up arrow to navigate and enter to set.
Since we were using the MBR, set the boot mode to legacy. Next is set the boot device into USB storage device. To exit, use the right arrow to go to exit bar, and using the down arrow choose the Save Changes and Reset.
It will going to restart. And after that it will show the Windows 7 installation and set your language. Click Next, Install Now and Custom. After clicking the Install Now, it will ask you, where do you want to install Windows, and below it show many partition. Click device option, advance, and one by one delete it, until all the storage will compact together. After deleting it, all will be on disk 0 unallocated space. Click it and click New. It will show you your MB size, and multiply the number that has show in there in 0.6, and replace it with the result and click Apply. After clicking the Apply, it will show 3 partition, click the unallocated, and New, then apply directly, no need to change the MB size.
It will show 3 partition, 1 for system and 2 primary, since it asks you where to install the Windows. Click the partition 2 primary, since it has a big size of storage, and click Next, and after it will start installing the Windows 7 OS.
Before it's going completing the installation, it will restart first, and what you gonna do is do the first step, which is clicking several times the F2 key until the BIOS will pop up. The process was just the same, but there is one thing that you will going to change. The first boot device, change it into internal HDD devices.
After changing, go to Exit, and click Save Changes and Reset, and it will going to restart, and continue installing.
After completing the installation, it will restart, and done. It will ask you to set your username and the PC name, and set your security OR password. And just skip the product key, and choose the recommend setting, and that's it, you're done installing the Windows 7 Ultimate. So in this part of video, I am going to teach you how to install application in your computer. Our applications example is Avast, antivirus, and Google Chrome. First is locate where the application APK putted, and click it, then run it as administrator. It will load and show install button, and then click it. After that, it will start downloading. If the downloading complete, you can open the app already. And done. Google Chrome installation. That's all. I hope you learn and understood our tutorial video.